What's up, what's up, what's up? So you know what time it is. I'm here at Tesla. I'm getting back my Cybertruck today, guys. Man, I'm super excited. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. There's the Cybertruck. Oh man, they took it on a test drive. Yeah, buddy. Woo-hoo. Oh man, I'm super excited, guys. Woo! It's back, and it's running. Look at that. So as I'm here waiting on my Cybertruck, I do notice they have another Cybertruck down here working on. I'm zoomed in too much. There we go. There it is. So this was the loaner Model Y that I got. So I'm going to be turning that in today and taking my Cybertruck back home. There it is, guys. So the Cybertruck is back. Big shout out to the Tesla service team here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Big shout out to Michael and Soso. These guys work very hard on the Cybertruck to get it back to me. Man, it's like I'm losing my voice. Yo, but big shout out to everybody here. So nice. I'm just happy to get it back. And man, they got it back to me before my birthday, because that was like one of my big things. I really wanted to have this truck before my birthday, and you know, they were able to deliver on it. So can't wait to get this thing on the road. And I did a poll and you guys said you wanted it wrapped, so stay tuned for that video. But everything seems good. I haven't driven it yet, but they took it on test drives and stuff like that, and everything is good. So I am gonna have to bring it back here for service, maybe when they get parts, but it's all just cosmetic stuff, so nothing mechanical or anything like that that should have me broken down anymore. Man, my voice, it's gone. Well, hopefully the video is still making sense. But anyways, let me tell you what all they did. They replaced the windshield. That's one. So in my previous videos, I don't know if it's one of my short videos or something like that, where I said there was like a ripple in the windshield. So they replaced that, so that's cool. But I am gonna have to bring it back for the frunk, because right now the frunk, it's not latching really good. So when it closes, it's kind of popping up back. So you have to like push it down like a Model Y just to get it to close. And I think that's because this side sits low and then this side is sitting a little higher. So they're going to address that when the parts comes in for the other stuff, and they're just going to do all that in one service visit. So I shouldn't have to leave it overnight or anything. Oh, another thing, the dashboard. So they're going to have to replace the dashboard, unfortunately, because right now there's like holes poking up. When they were putting it back together, I guess some screws came up and just poke holes in the dashboard. So they are going to take care of that and replace that. The arches, they're also going to, well, not this one. This one looks okay. I don't know. You guys let me know. But on this side, it's a little bit more obvious. So they are going to take care of that on the next service visit. So right here, you can see where it's really kind of sticking up. There we go, if the camera would focus on it. Again, I apologize, guys. I'm losing my voice. I'm just so excited. And this piece, they're just going to replace this, because you can see it's kind of scuffed up really bad. I'm not super picky, but since it has to come back in here for service to do some cosmetic stuff, yeah, let them just take care of that. So that's that right there. It's a bit banged up. I got it like that. And then up here on this piece right here, you can see it's a little scuffed up here too. That's how I took delivery of it. It wasn't a big deal, you know. Like I said, if the truck was perfect, I would have just took it home straight like that. But since it has to come back in here for them to do the dashboard and align the panels right there, might as well they just fix it up for me. But yeah, that's it. Shout out to everybody at Tesla, man. Engineering team and all, you guys made this possible. So big shout out to everybody. Thanks Elon for this amazing truck. Now we can go. So big shout out to T Parts. If you guys want to check out some premium accessories for your Tesla Model Y, S, X, and 3, definitely go ahead and check them out. They have good premium accessories. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, and you guys can get 10% off any accessory. So there we go, guys. They did do the little rivet thing right here for the recall. So that's how it looks, the temporary fix. So the main reason the Cybertruck came in was because of the error codes on the screen, where it shut down and it was freaking out, flashing all red, telling us that the steering, four-wheel steer, and all of that craziness. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that video before because it went super viral. So if not, you can check it out on the channel here. But yeah, that was the issue. But they said all it really was the there was a corroded ground wire for the AC compressor or something like that, and when that happens, it shuts down the entire high voltage system. So that is why it was throwing all those error codes. So pretty much what they did was replace the wire harness on that, and now it's good to go. So let me insert this quick clip right here. This is my first time going to a supercharger since I've had the Cybertruck. So let's go plug it in and see how it does. Here it is, first time at a supercharger. Pull it out, plug it in. There we go. Look at that. First time at a supercharger in my Cybertruck. There we go, green light. Wow, I can't wait to start enjoying this thing again. Oh man, so much videos and adventures planned. So here's what it looks like inside. You can see it's ramping up pretty fast. We're at 31% or what, 98 miles. There we go. I'm not gonna stay here to 100%, but I just have it there. Here we go, 244, 252. It's going. So from 32% to get to 100%, it would take an hour and 20 minutes. Let's see if I'm just doing like 80%. 80%, that would take only 35 minutes, which is what you would do for your regular daily drive. So right now it's taking a bit to get used to the Cybertruck again since it's been away so long and I've been driving the Model Y. I've only had the truck for basically, what was it, like 2 weeks, and it's been in service almost 3 weeks. So on the 21st, it would be like 3 weeks since they had it in service. So it's like basically taking delivery all over again and getting to know the truck. So it is what it is, but at least I got my Cybertruck back and it's going good. I basically over an hour in the drive right now and no issues at all, no complaints. So that's pretty good. I think it's all good from here on out. No issues. No more issues. No more. No more. All good now, Cybertruck. Question, guys. Is the Cybertruck normally this loud after you supercharge it? I supercharged it like 20 minutes ago or so. I have the AC off and just listen how loud it is. It has that sound like when you're preconditioning the battery. That's how loud it is. Let me try to go outside and see. Like, listen to this. So loud. And I've been driving for 20 minutes. Over 20 minutes probably. And it's not getting quiet. It's just still loud. There's nothing. You guys have any suggestions? Let me know. Home right now. As you can hear, it's super loud. I know. vent things. But I don't know. Should it be this loud after you supercharge it? So right now I'm at Buc-ee's and listen, it's still loud. So loud. I supercharged it over there, and I'd supercharged it maybe like an hour ago, and we've been sitting here and this thing is just loud non-stop. Like the vents down there are still closed. I don't remember the Cybertruck being this loud, man. So here it is. I think I actually found the issue in the service logs. You can see louver disconnected, louver blockage, active grill shutter blockage. You can see all of that stuff right there. So just like I was saying in the first videos, where the front piece is closed, it's not opening up. So I think that's preventing it from, like, you know, providing like active cooling. So yeah, it's just, I know something is up, man. This is not how the Cybertruck was when I got it. And yeah, you can see it right here. Says that air condition may be limited or unavailable. It's also saying something like a blockage here, blah blah blah. You guys can read through that and see it. Yeah, I'm definitely not making this stuff up, guys. Trust me on that. Real stuff right here. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. Here's something else showing it too. HVAC system not nominal. Look at that. Issues. Never had these issues before, and it came back with these issues. Oh, please, hey, Elon Musk, just give me a new truck, man. That's all. Hey, I love the company. I love the Cybertruck. It's my dream truck, but just give me a new truck. That's all, please. So I'm back at Tesla service again with the Cybertruck. As you know from my videos last night, it was having some issues where it was being super loud, and that was because the louver down here wasn't opening to provide that airflow to cool everything down. So brought it back here to Tesla service this morning, and it was a quick fix. Something was disconnected, so they opened the front, pulled it out, and reconnected it in like 5 minutes, and now it's good to go. So big shout out to the tech here, so for getting on it. Truly appreciate it. Now let's go enjoy the Cybertruck. So here we go, we're at the supercharger, and as you can see, vents are open, so it's getting cool. Nice, no more loud noise. Pretty cool. Big thanks again to Laura and Soso at the Tesla Service Center. You guys are awesome. Thanks for getting me in this morning and getting this taken care of. So if you guys want to see more Cybertruck content, definitely go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Now that I got it back, I got a ton of amazing videos coming for this thing. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.